In this tutorial, I'll show how to redact sensitive documents in Next. Sometimes you have a document in Next that contains information so sensitive that before sharing it with others, you need to redact it. It could be a sourcing contract that contains confidential commercial information you cannot share with your procurement staff. An employment contract that contains personal information you cannot share with the client. Or a full personal health record that contains sensitive information you cannot share with even the external specialist doctor. I'll show how to make a shareable version of a personal health record in Next. First, I'll locate the health record pertaining to Kim Hellam. Here they are. I click Edit a copy. Next already knows that a copy of this document must be a health record, redacted and shareable. I click Edit. Edit opens a new copy of the document for me so that I can redact it, remove any material that is not suitable for a shareable version. When I'm finished, I'll simply close the window like this and accept to store the document back into Next. I click refresh, and here you can see the new version of the document, shareable, and as you can see to the right, with the redacted content. That's how easy it is to create a shareable version of a sensitive document in Next. Thank you for watching.
Next way, making good business run better.